I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select NEX Forms as a trigger. Choose a form. Click the Fetch button, go to your form page, fill out the form, and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select System I/O. Give here the API key. So please visit System I/O API key in secret. Create. Give here a meaningful API key name. Save. Copy the API key and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose tag. Map the respective fields. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to the System I/O dashboard and navigate to the contacts. Here you can see data came successfully in the System I/O. Thanks for watching.